Good morning, students. Open your English grammar book. Come to lesson verbs. The ing form. First, we will revise what are verbs. Action words are called verbs. Or you can say doing words are called verbs. For example, run, eat, dance. A verb not only tells us about an action, it also tells us about the time of that action. This time of action is called as tense. Examples: Meena mixes the paints. Second one is Meena mixed the paints. In first example, mixes, and in second example, mixed. Both are verbs. Verb mixes is showing present tense and verb mixed is showing past tense. The verb mix is called the base form of the verb. The verb form mixes is formed by adding es to the base form. Mix plus es. The verb form mixed is formed by adding ed to the base form. Mix plus ed. The ing form of verbs. A very common way of changing the form of a verb is by adding ing to it. For example, running, eating, catching. Forming the ing form. Form the ing form of a verb by adding ing to the verb. Examples. First example is keep plus ing is equal to keeping. Do plus ing is equal to doing. Sing plus ing is equal to singing. Now, in these examples, you can see after adding ing, verbs are changing. Like keeping, doing, singing. Next, for verbs that end in e, we drop the final e before adding ing to the verb. In these examples, you can see first example is close, close plus ing. And we are dropping the last e of close and making it closing, closing, closing. Second example is dance, dance plus ing. In dance, we are dropping final e of dance and making it dancing. Next example, share, share, and adding ing. We are dropping final e of share and making it sharing. Forming the ing form. In the case of some verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing to the verb. In these verbs, the letter before the final letter is a single vowel. See, in these examples, pin. In this pin, before n you can see there is a vowel, I. So in this case, we are adding ing to pin and we are making it pinning. We are doubling the last letter, that is n. PINNING. Next example, drop, drop. Before p you can see there is a vowel, that is o, and we are adding ing and making it dropping. Spelling will be DROPPING. We are doubling p. Then next example is fit, FIT, and you can see before T there is I. It is also a vowel. We are adding ing and making it fitting, FITTING. We are doubling the letter T and making it fitting. Common misspellings. When we pronounce it, we say picking. If we are using pick word and we are adding ing and spelling it picking. When we pronounce, we say picking. It means we are doubling, but spelling will be P-I-C-K-I-N-G. K will not double here, okay? Double K is incorrect. Second one, write, W-R-I-T-E. And if we are adding ing to it, we will write W-R-I-T-I-N-G, and our pronunciation will be writing, but we will not double the T. It is incorrect. Third one, rowing. When we pronounce rowing, W is doubling, but it is wrong spelling. We will write R-O-W-I-N-G. When we are adding ing, our correct spelling will be R-O-W-I-N-G. Same with come. When we are adding come, when we are adding ing to come, we drop the E and we will put ing. But our pronunciation is coming. But we will write C-O-M-I-N-G. We will not double M. And that's all for today. Thank you.